Onion, garlic, coriander seed, fennel seed, fenugreek seed, star anise, mace, cardamom, cinnamon stick, cumin seed, peppercorn, red chili, coconut, dried coconut fine powder. Fan is out. We're gonna add all the dry stuff here. It, we're gonna let it saute for 1-3 minutes until it gets brown. Turn brown, perfect. Add ghee, garlic, onion. For 3 minutes, we're gonna turn off it, adding coconut powder. Set aside and let it cool down, then we'll make a paste. Adding some water. Perfect. Okay, so Brussel sprout, onion, lemon, turmeric, salt, paprika. That's it, that's all. Our chicken thighs already marinated with some salt, garlic and turmeric. It's been half an hour now. On a hot pan, we're going to add the marinade. On the high heat, let it roast for 2 minutes, then we'll change the side. Perfect. That's what we're looking for. We're gonna let it saute for 2-3 minutes. After that, we're gonna add everything. Onion, salt, turmeric, paprika and the paste. Mix it well. Some water, mix it well. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna bring to medium to slow and let it simmer for 10-12 minutes. Make sure keep stirring it every 2-3 minutes. Oh, wow. Cooking after another 2 minutes. Wow. Amchur powder, mango powder, fresh lemon, and turned off the heat. hot pan. We're going to add ghee. Okay, pinch of salt and amchur powder. Fresh lime. After 4 minutes, let's change the side. Turn off it. Let it sit for 2 minutes. Then buon appetit, guys.